Welcome friends in Science Lecture 4, Lesson 7, Diversity in Living Organisms. Today we are going to discuss the topics that is a groups in animal kingdom of protochordate. Protochordates are the ones which are not having a chorodator. It means the chorodates that is and bones are not present. That's why they are chorodates and chordate. They are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic and having a colon. That means the body is two-way divided exactly left and right. Triploblastic means inner, outer, and middle layers are present in the skin formation and have an colon, that is a space for growing organs between body wall and digestive tract. Now, notochord is present at some stage during their lives, but not exactly present in the matured form, but at some stage of his life they are present and sometimes they are absent. Notochord is a long rod-like support structure that runs along the back of an animal, separating the nervous tissue from the gut. So this is an explanation for notochord. That's a kind of a long structure which is running on the backside. That is a dorsal part of an animal, separating the nervous tissue from the guts. That is, guts and nervous tissues are getting separated by this. So notochord is present sometimes and they are not present in certain animals. Now prochordates are marine animals, that means they are still water living animals, and the example are Balanogallus, Glossus and Hermenia, Amphiox, etc. This is an photograph for protochorodates, that is Balanoglossus. This is an example for this is having all types of organs present there, and the system is being shown here. Fine. So this is a photograph for the one. We will start after this as vertebrates. Now, what are vertebrates? Now, vertebrates are having a two vertebral column and internal skeleton. That means this is a very important thing, that internal skeleton is present. Like in humans, also internal skeleton is present, like that we call as an bone system. So these are the vertebral columns. So vertebral columns are present and internal skeleton is present in vertebrates. Provertebrates, it was not there. Complete different distribution of muscles attachment point to be used for movement. That means for locomotion, for movement that is moving from one place to the another, muscles are there which are pointed, that is definitely attached with certain types of internal skeleton. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomic and segmented. These all that is and specialities are already present before, so it is present in this also, that they are bilaterally both way symmetrical, left and right, three layered skin, triploblastic, coelomic, that is an organs are having enough spaces for them to grow, and segmented body, that means a well defined body, it is not an undefined body. Having notochords, prominent notochord is there, dorsal nervous cord is there, that means nervous system is present, and the for separating notochords are also present, and some have paired gills pouches. Gill pouches are the ones for taking breathing, that is respiration. Fine. And vertebrates are grouped into 6 classes. So furthermore they are divided into 6. We will start with the first one, that is Cylostomata. Now Cylostomata are jawless vertebrates having long eel-like body, circular mouth. Now they are having a eel-like structure, that is a very symmetrical long structure for locomotion in water, that is a eel-like structure, and circular mouth. But they are jawless. Jawless means they do not have jaws which are strong and can grab other animals. They are slimy skin, that means their skin is so mucus that you cannot just catch them. And they are scaleless, that means their scales on the fishes, like scales are present, they are not having scales also. They are ectoparasites, that means they attack from outside, or borers of other vertebrates, that means they either bore inside, kill the, that is they attack from outside. Examples are Petromyzon, Lamprey and Myxine, that is an hagfish, are the examples of this. This is a photograph for cyclostomata, a jawless vertebra petromyzon. Right, so this is a photograph of it. You may see it looks like generally eel only. If you see you may search the photograph for eel and you may find it. Eel is a very common animal, marine animal, which is found in water. Right, so we'll keep up till here for this particular video. Thank you.